guys, home for the win here. We brought the trx4 and I'm not 100% sure if this is it. Well, it should be, because there's nothing else that's been brought, so it should be coming via DPD. Anyway, you're going to end up watching me either get very excited or scammed off. Hopefully very excited, because that does look like the box. Let's go get a weapon first to cut open the box. I've not been in the box yet. Not even, it's just arrived and I lost it when I heard it arrive. Anyway guys, let's bloody do this. Let's bloody do this. Ready guys? Oh! Shit. Oh, wait up. What have they done? They've sealed it up tight. By the way, this is brought off Model Sport, if you want to know where to get thingies. If you're English, I recommend buying them from Model Sport's online group. You know, on the internet. This is my first ever traxxas. Lad. Fucking rip it open, boy. Rip it open. I want this experience. Let me just buy some. Actually, no, I can't. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh yes, lad! Fucking yes! Look at all this! Model Sport, boys! I'll even throw in some extra stickers. Oh, I'm so excited! Oh, good. Just one moment. Flipping heck, guys. This is amazing. I've worked bloody hard for this. There's the battery I'm running around. I'm running on nickel metal hydrate batteries because I've heard stories about them. Not put me off, it's just I've never used the other ones before. You know, traxxas ID charger. Ready? Let's drag this out. Boyo! Wait till we see how God is track. Oh, perfect timing. Mum and Dad's back. Anyway, bloody hell, this is hard. Tear the box open. I got this in the red colour, like I said. Yep, red. Bloody trx4, boys! Thank you, Model Sport. So, guys, I got the red trx4. It says what it says on the box. It says that, you know, what you'll need to run, either flat pack battery, which I've got, or the lipos. It goes up 3S, sorry, not 4S. Don't put 4S in it. Probably blow something up in it. Anyway, guys. Like bloody Christmas! Like Christmas. Oh, Xmas, however you say it. Oh, look at that. There's a wheel. Oh, wow, beautiful looking. You know, you got your box of bits. Wow. What? You got 2 clips as usual. Let's have a look what's under the bonnet. Woo! That is... Wow. Guys, if you're still recording, yeah you are. trx4. Very clever, clippity design. I've been wanting this for ages, mate. This is beautiful. I love it. That front suspension's a bit funny on the front, but I'm sure it'll be alright. Anyway, guys, this is the end of the video for now because it's getting a bit long. I'll pull the body out. We'll do a drive around next time. Here's the video. Oh wow, that's beautiful. Got the body. Here's it compared to my hand. Peace out, guys.